in. Pick a number. You guys ready?
Okay, ready, go! Here come the fluffy little baby corgis flying down the track. It is Penny M. Outside, it is Izzy! Izzy is the first to cross the wire. A round of applause for number 12, Izzy. Top 3 corgis advance to the championship. Placing judge Betsy Tozier has the top 3 numbers. Number 12, Izzy, finished first. After that, moving on to the championship, numbers 10, Penny M, and 9, Solaire. Take a look at the replay. They're the top 3 corgis moving on to the Corgi Championship in search of immortality. Mousy and Butters just got into a nasty fight on the track. It's a Corgi civil war. Look at Izzy sticking out that nose in very, very game fashion.
Hey, you guys ready?
All right, Canterbury, make some noise. It's heat number 2. Ready, go! Here come the fluffy baby corgis, and we have dog savaging taking place all over the place. Murray is looking good, and so is Teddy, and I think Teddy won. Teddy and Logan Handsome Pants, who wants to run back for more. Look at Logan Handsome Pants, he's on the big screen. He's all over the place. He wants to run against the horses. Let's take a look at this replay. It's very controversial. Top 3, look at Logan Handsome Pants trotting like a thoroughbred. This is unbelievable. A round of applause for these cute dogs, ladies and gentlemen. Television. We have controversy. We need to see the wide-angle replay once again, please, to establish the top 3 for Corgi immortality. Look at Logan Handsome Pants. Holy cow. What a beautifully striding little Corgi. Yes, yes, and yes. Thank you, TV. Moving on to the Corgi Championship from heat number 2. Vikings fans, number 12, Teddy. Also moving on, number 4, Zelda. Boys. Ready, go! Here they come in heat number 3. And Kirby James is out beautifully. So is Layla. Layla is a champion Corgi and wins, beating Kirby James. Meanwhile, lagging along, Glyph, Penny L, and poor little Rocket finished last. Check that, second last, third last. Here come Ike and Miss Abby the Diva. Go Ike, go Ike, go Ike, go Ike. Yes! How about Ike? Okay, the 2 advancing to the Corgi Classic are numbers 3, Kirby James, and 7, Layla. Thank you, owners. All righty, Corgi heat number 4. Ready, go! Here come the fluffy little baby dogs trying to win the big prize. And Sailor is sailing out nicely, but so is Chiba Dottie McGuire. Chiba Dottie McGuire. And lagging along in last is George. Here comes Miles. Go, Miles, go, Miles, go, Miles. Where are you going, little buddy? The Corgi is lost. He's lost his compass. Poor Barney never left the gate. Here comes Barney. Look at little Barney. Aww. Let's take a look at the replay and figure out who advances. Brilliant beginning by Sailor. All right, advancing to the Corgi Championship, numbers 7, Pendleton, and 6, Chiba Dottie McGuire. More Corgi racing following race 5. See you back down by the winner's circle. Thanks for coming out to Canterbury today, and thanks to the Star Tribune for the sponsorship. Okay, Canterbury, make some noise for these Corgis. Yes. Ready, go. Here come the baby Corgis, and out of the gate nicely is Frank. And Cooper is flying. They're not booing, they're cooing for Cooper. We have some savaging down by the finish line. Cooper just went after Lola, and it wasn't pretty. Hey, here comes Bella. Look at little Bella. Let's figure it out. Cooper, definitely. Wow, what a very controversial photo. Because Lola, number 11, crossed all the way over to the inside. Cooper is definitely the winner. Let's see inside of the one with the green. Yes, it's Lola. Advancing Cooper and Lola. 6 and 11. Look at Cooper on the big screen with that beautiful Corgi stride. What a champion Corgi. His nickname, Kevin Corgi. All righty, done with Heat 5. Move on to Heat 6. Stick around for the championship after race 8. That'll be an elite side wagering opportunity if you're interested. The prohibitive favorite as of now was the winner of the second heat, Logan Handsome Pants, who is all righty, everybody's ready for Corgi Heat number 6, the final trial event. Ready, go! Here come the doggies, racing for Corgi immortality. And number 6, Otis, is fast. So is Dexter on the inside. Otis wins. Late charge and a photo for second. Numbers 1 and 11 in a tight photo for second to advance to the championship and a chance to win $50. Let's take a look at the video. The 1 clearly has it. Here comes the 11, surging late. Oh, that's so tight. Oh, the placing judge, Betsy Tozier, has been thrown in the Corgi meat grinder. 6 for sure, 1 stops. Oh. Let's take a peek. Look at that 1, definitely advancing to the championship, but then Dexter conspicuously stops right before the line and may have gotten tagged. Let's take a look at it. It's a spine tingler in the Berkshire Derby. 6 in. Here we go. Here we go. Lola, number 1, got it by a snout. Lola advances. Make that Dexter. Number 1, Dexter advances. All right, everybody, see you after race 8 for the championship. Great stakes racing coming up. Bet that Minnesota Derby. It's a fantastic opportunity. Owners ready? Canterbury Park, are you ready? Ready, go! Here come the championship Corgis. We have some savaging out of the gate. Otis is fast, but so is Pendleton! And Pendleton is the Corgi champion! Give it up for number 8, Pendleton, the inaugural winner of the Corgi Championship. Let's take a look at the replay. We got Corgis going left and right as erratic as loose shopping carts. But Pendleton, after taking a look at a couple of Corgis, puts his mind on running, and look at that stride. Pendleton gets the 50, the cookie, and the trophy. Well done. Finishing third, number 3, Logan Handsome Pants. Finishing second, number 11, Otis. And achieving Corgi immortality with tears flowing on the Canterbury Park main track. They are tears of jubilation. Congratulations to Alicia and Jake Elwine, the owners of Pendleton. All right, all the Corgis are coming into the winner's circle if you guys want to get some photo opportunities. On behalf of Canterbury Park, thank you very much for coming out today. We still have 2 live races left, the 9th and the 11th. And by golly, we have a $1 double wager to commemorate it on races 9 and 10. Race number 9 is about 13 minutes from now. Once again, thank you very much for coming.